Hello guys, thank you very much to visit my page, and my name is Tanya Victory, who doesn't know me. Today I'm going to provide value to you about how to get traffic from Facebook, and it will be not general information, it will be practical things. You will see exactly what I did in Facebook and my results. For example, now we are on the page of my Facebook, and you can see I have active 2 promotion, yes, 2 campaign. For one campaign I just created, another campaign was created 21 of June. So which I created 21 of June. Here you can see I spent already 17 euro and I received 75 clicks, so it's cost to me 22 cents per one click. And let's go to my autoresponder. I use GetResponse and Aweber also, but mostly GetResponse. Sorry. Let's see yesterday. Yesterday I received 28 leads. Guys, from 75 clicks I received 28 emails. These people who click on my website and they input, let's see, I will show you just a moment. For example, this is one of my landing page. So 75 people click on, they watch, and they input their emails. So I received 28 yesterday. Today I receive 1, and one day before I don't know how many. But I pay only 17 euro. So let's see. If we divide, for example, 17 euro divide 28 emails, yes, it will be 60 cents one lead. I think it's excellent, don't you think? For 60 cents you have people who is interesting and they want to listen what you will say. Now it's your work what to do. But this is we will talk about, this we will talk later. Now I will show how I create and how I get this 28 leads. So let's go to Facebook first. Facebook home. I hope you have your page in Facebook and fan page. If not, contact me, I will help you and I will send you how to do if it's really difficult for you. I want to help you. So this is my page. You can see Tanya Victory. We will go here, Advert Manager, and we will come the same page which we was. See, I show you. But we need now create advert. Here we found green button. Click on create advert and we have a lot of options. I put click to website. As I say, I promote always my landing page first and what I suggest to you. In this business, whatever you promote first, you need to send people to your landing page. You will catch emails and afterwards you will promote whatever you want. But this is one of the tip for today. The rest, if you want to know more about landing page, how to create, what to write, I will provide some videos and some lessons for my team. So if you're in my team, you will receive specific link where you can log in and watch a lot of useful information. So now we input our landing page. Here we need to upload images. We can upload till 6 images. And Facebook asks us size supposed to be 600 by 315 reals. You will ask me, but I don't have and I don't know what to do. Don't worry, be happy. Let's go to Google and find, for example, work from home, because I am looking for this type of people. Afterwards, you will go to search tools, and here first you will have size, any size, large, medium, icon, larger than, and it has option, and exactly. Exactly I input, like Facebook asked me, 600 by 315, but you can change whatever you want. For example, 400, or you understood, yeah? So go, and this is all pictures with this size. Let's say we click on these pictures. We will go save as. It's welcome box. Save as its name. I like to put numbers, 24 today, and I put number 0.5. I will put in desktop. Afterwards, of course, I will move, and I will save like this. Also, you can do another way. For example, you will go to this picture. You will go, no, sorry. You will go here. No, you cannot do. It's only like this. Check. Because I have Mac, I am clicking by 2 fingers, and it came to me this box, and I will do save image as. Most probably it's the same in Windows. Something similar you need to find out. About this I cannot help you because I don't have Windows for a long time now. I think for 3 years, so I forgot how to use. No, even 4 years. Yeah, 4 years now. So let's go back. Upload images. Do you remember name? 24.5. Yes, excellent. We highlight and click open. So it's automatically upload. So we have now 2 pictures, and we can upload till 6 altogether. I will continue to do next, because I don't want to spend your time, but you got idea how to do by size and how to find pictures. See here different size, and you will see it will come different way. So you need to be careful, creative, and to have patience. So to make this advert, you need your Facebook page. We was in the it's fun page. Yes, this is normal page, I cost page, but this is fun page. So I choose my page. Headline it will be here, and you need to attract people to visit this landing page. Let's create something very unusual. Attention. Okay, and here we will explain what do we mean. Learn how I earn money online from 0 to 10K per month. Saturday in first 30 days. Click to the button. You need to always specify what to do because people don't know. See, it came here. Learn how I earn money online from 0 to 10k per. In first, it's mistake. In first 30 days. Click to the button. Look, you need to be creative and need to be very specific, short and nice, because people will, for example, they need to attract. And please don't copycat from another people because it doesn't work in this business. In this business, it's next tip for today. You need to be very creative and watch what people do and do completely different. Yes, if you will do exactly the same what 100 people do, chances less for everybody. So this is second tip for today. So choose button, for example, sign up. See, it's appear. This is first, and this is will look another. Of course, this you realize this picture not for us because we are not looking for virtual assistant. Yeah, I just give you an idea how to log in, how to download. So next, here ready. Next, we are doing location. You choose country. Which country do you want to work? Usually I choose English speaking country, but also you can choose any country with which you want to wish to work. Sorry, my English. Because I don't know your promotion. I am working with English speaking, and I am working. I try to teach people to earn money online. So I choose UK, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, and as much as you want till 25 countries. Age I prefer to work from 26. With men and women I leave all. Languages English. Also, like I said, you can choose any language which you want. Interest. This is important. You need to choose people with who you're willing to work. This is your potential clients. You don't work with everybody. In marketing, it's tip number 3 for today. You don't work with everybody because you don't get nobody. You will work with specific people with who you wish to work. So here, you want to business and industry, for example, MLM, people who work with MLM, who networking or work from home. Also, tip number 3, or it's 4, I don't remember, doesn't matter. Tip next. You probably need to find people who working on themselves. What I mean, they listening motivational speakers, they listening motivational audio, they listening, they going to seminars, they read books about how to develop themselves, because this type of people most probably will be in your niche, isn't? Do you think so? I think yes. So you can put, for example, Tony Robbins. What do you think? Tony Robbins, if people go to his webinars or read his book or listen his audio, probably they're very attractive to this type of business. So you need to be creative. home business, and a lot of more. Behaviors you can leave. This is you can leave. Next, this is set name, budget per day. I will suggest start from less, 4-5 euro per day, because you're just starting. Schedule, you can put set date and end date, or you can put automatically. Bidding, bid for clicks I leave, and this is also automatically. Manual, I leave automatically because it will be better like this. So review, I can see carefully, looks like everything fine, and place order. Never worry, because if you did mistake, you can change, you can close, and you can stop advertisement. The most important, you will have a credit card or PayPal already in your Facebook created together with your page. How to do, I will try to help you, because I will try to open another page new, and I will show you step by step. Actually, I already have, and here maybe it's not easy to explain from the scratch. So see, Facebook put my order for review. So I put continuously, continue, I don't know, continue. And you can see, in review, what I said to you. For example, I realize I made mistake. I don't want here. I can put here and here. I can delete it. Yes. I can stop for a while, and I can put on again. It's a lot of options. You just need to know. See here, you can edit, you can change. So this will looks like this, your page with one picture, and you can see preview placement. See, it will look exactly like this. It will be sponsored, this means advertised. Attention. Sign up. Learn how I earn money online from zero to the in first click to the button. Sign up. So it's like this. Close. And we will wait for 30 minutes, 40 minutes when Facebook approves us. As I said, if we don't want, we can change, we can delete, we can stop, everything in our hands. It's just what I suggest to you, never, go other way which Facebook asks you. For example, when you put your PayPal, it must be money there. If it doesn't work, they will close, even they can close your account, or they stop definitely your promotion. So be ethical, and it will help you a lot. And Facebook will be happy also. And it's like cooperation, because without cooperation, our days, you will not succeed. You cannot do everything what you want. You are not living in some island by yourself. Okay guys, thank you for today, and see you in next video. I hope this video helped you at least a little bit. If not, or you like it, please leave your request what you want. I will teach you more, or another question which you have, and I am willing to help you. Thank you, and bye bye for today. Take care.